Everyday English essentials.
Shopping at the supermarket.
Hey Jack, what a surprise to see you here.
Oh, hi Anna. Yes, I usually do my grocery shopping on Sundays. What about you?
Me too. I like shopping on weekends because I have more time. What are you buying today?
Just some fruits, vegetables, and snacks. I want to eat healthier. What about you?
I'm buying some ingredients for dinner tonight. I want to try cooking something new.
That sounds interesting. What are you going to make?
I'm thinking about making a pasta dish with chicken and mushrooms. But I'm not sure which pasta to buy.
Oh, if you want something light, you can try spaghetti. But if you like creamy pasta, maybe fettuccine is better.
Oh, good idea. I think I'll go with fettuccine. Thanks for the suggestion.
By the way, these apples look really fresh. Do you want some?
Oh yes, I love apples. Let's get some. Do you usually cook at home, Jack?
Not really. I eat out most of the time, but I want to start cooking more.
Cooking at home is fun and healthier. You should try. What's your favorite food?
I love burgers and pizza, but I know they're not very healthy.
You can make healthy versions at home, like using whole wheat bread and fresh ingredients.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll try making a homemade burger one day.
You should. I can give you some recipes if you want.
That would be great. Thanks, Anna.
Oh, I need to buy some milk and eggs. Where is the milk section?
It's over there, next to the bread aisle. Let's go.
Do you prefer whole milk or low-fat milk?
I usually buy low-fat milk. It's healthier.
Good choice. I'll take one too.
How about fresh bread? It smells so good here.
Yes, I love the smell of fresh bread. Do you want to get some?
Maybe. I think I'll get a baguette. What about you?
I'll take a loaf of whole wheat bread. It's good for breakfast. Oh, look at these bananas. They look so fresh. Do you need any?
Yes, I always buy bananas. They're great for smoothies. Oh, speaking of smoothies, do you need any yogurt?
Good idea. Let's go check the dairy section. There are so many flavors. Do you like Greek yogurt or regular yogurt?
I prefer Greek yogurt. It has more protein.
Same here. I'll get a few of these.
Are you getting any meat today?
Yeah, I need some chicken breast. It's easy to cook.
I think I'll get some salmon. It's rich in omega-3.
Good choice. Fish is really healthy.
Oh, look. They have fresh squid. Do you like squid?
Yes, I love it. Especially grilled squid with some chili sauce.
That sounds delicious. I think I'll buy some and make stir-fried squid with vegetables.
That's a great idea. Maybe I should get some too. Okay, time for some snacks.
Right. What are you getting?
Probably some mixed nuts and dark chocolate. What about you?
I think I'll get some granola bars. They're good for a quick snack.
Nice. Oh, do you want to grab some coffee?
Yes. I'm running low on coffee at home.
Do you like ground coffee or instant coffee?
I prefer ground coffee. It tastes better.
Same. I'll grab a bag of my favorite blend. Oh, I need to buy some detergent. Which brand do you use?
I usually buy this one. It's good for removing stains.
Sounds good. I'll try it too.
Do you also need fabric softener? This one smells really nice.
Yes, I'll take one. My clothes will smell fresh. I also need a kitchen cleaner. Do you have any recommendations?
This one works great for removing grease.
Perfect. I'll get one. Oh, do you need floor cleaner?
Yes, I almost forgot. I'll take this one with a lavender scent. I think I need a new cutting board. Mine is getting old.
That's a good idea. I also need a new set of kitchen knives.
These look sharp and durable. I'll get one too.
Oh, I need to buy some clothes for my winter trip next month.
Where are you going?
I'm traveling to Canada. It's going to be really cold.
Then you'll definitely need a warm coat.
Yeah, I'll get this thick winter jacket and a pair of thermal pants.
Good choice. Don't forget gloves and a scarf.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I'll grab these wool gloves and this cozy scarf.
Do you need warm socks?
Yes, these thermal socks look perfect.
Are you getting new shoes too?
Yes, I need winter boots for walking in the snow.
These look warm and sturdy.
I'll try them on. They fit perfectly.
Nice. I actually need some new running shoes.
These ones look stylish and comfortable. What do you think?
I like it. I'll get them. I also need to pick up some camping gear. I'm going on a hiking trip next weekend. I need a new sleeping bag and a portable stove.
This sleeping bag looks warm and lightweight.
Great. I'll take it. I also need a small lantern.
This one is rechargeable and has different brightness levels.
Perfect.
You should also get some waterproof matches.
Oh, good idea. I don't want to struggle with wet matches in the woods. Hey, look, there's a sale on kitchenware.
Oh wow, I need a new non-stick pan.
These ones look high quality.
I'll take this one. What else is on sale?
Oh, a coffee maker. Didn't yours break recently?
Yes, this is perfect timing. I'll get it.
There are also some knives and forks on sale.
Great, I could use new forks.
Me too. I'll grab one as well.
Oh, I think I need to buy sunscreen for my trip. Let's move on to the personal care aisle.
That's a must. You don't want to get sunburned.
This sunscreen brand is my favorite. I'll take the one with SPF 50.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need some cotton pads for makeup removal and a body lotion.
This body lotion smells really nice.
Ooh, really? I'll take it. What about you? Do you need anything here?
Yeah, I need some hair wax.
This one looks good. It's strong hold but not sticky.
I'll give it a try. Oh, I also need a razor. Mine is getting dull.
This pack comes with extra blades.
Perfect. I'll grab it. I think I have everything now.
Yeah, let's go to the cashier.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
By the way, do you have any discounts or promotions today?
Yes. You actually got a 20% discount on the non-stick pan and a 15% discount on the coffee maker.
Oh, that's great. What about the winter jacket?
Let me check. Yes. It's part of our winter sale, so you get 10% off.
Awesome. That helps a lot.
Would you like to use reusable shopping bags or plastic bags?
I brought my own bags, but I might need 1 or 2 extra.
No problem. Would you like the fragile items like glassware and the coffee maker to be wrapped separately?
Yes, please. And could you double wrap the squid and meat?
Of course. Let me pack them carefully. All set. Your total after discounts is $215, and yours is $228. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
We'll pay by card.
Great. Here's your receipts. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thanks. See you next time.
Maybe next time we can go shopping together and then cook a meal at home.
That sounds like a great idea. I'll let you know when I'm free. Alright, I need to go now. It was nice shopping with you, Anna.
Yes. See you soon, Jack.
Enjoy your cooking. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.